Welcome to my channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore two of the most fascinating and essential objects in our sky, the sun and the moon. These two celestial bodies have been a source of wonder, inspiration, and scientific study for centuries. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey to uncover some incredible facts about our solar system's closest stars, our sun and moon. Let's start with the sun, the massive star at the center of our solar system. It's the key to life on Earth, providing light, warmth, and energy. But did you know that the sun is so much more than just a big ball of fire? Fact number 1. The sun's size. The sun is gigantic. In fact, it could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside of it. That's right. Over 1 million Earths would have room to orbit within the sun if it were hollow. And although it's about 109 times wider than Earth, the sun makes up more than 99% of the total mass of our solar system. It's a gravitational giant, influencing the orbits of planets, asteroids, and even comets. Fact number 2. The sun's core. At the sun's core, temperatures reach a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius, hot enough to turn hydrogen into helium in a process called nuclear fusion. This is the reaction that powers the sun. Every second, the sun produces about 400 billion watts of energy. That's more energy than humanity has consumed in all of history every single second. Fact number 3. Solar winds. Have you ever heard of solar wind? It's a constant stream of charged particles that the sun emits, which travels throughout the solar system. These particles, mainly electrons and protons, move at speeds of up to 900 kilometers per second. When these solar winds interact with the Earth's magnetic field, they cause auroras, beautiful displays of light seen in the polar regions. This phenomenon is known as the northern and southern lights. Fact number 4. The sun's lifespan. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is currently in the middle age of its life cycle. It has enough fuel left to burn for another 5 billion years. When it runs out of hydrogen in its core, the sun will expand into a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth, before it sheds its outer layers and becomes a white dwarf. Fact number 5. The sun's importance. The sun is not just essential for life on Earth, it also drives our climate. Without the sun, Earth would be a frozen, barren wasteland. Our weather patterns, ecosystems, and even the water cycle are all powered by the energy that the sun provides. It's no exaggeration to say that the sun is the lifeblood of our planet. Now that we've learned about the sun, let's shift our focus to the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. Though the moon is much smaller than the sun, its influence on our planet is just as profound. Fact number 6. The moon's size and distance. The moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth, approximately 3,474 kilometers in diameter. But what's truly fascinating is the distance between Earth and the moon. On average, the moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth. That might sound far, but in the vastness of space, it's actually quite close. If you could drive a car at highway speeds, it would take you about 6 months to reach the moon. Fact number 7. The moon's formation. Scientists believe that the moon formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after Earth itself was formed. The most widely accepted theory is the giant impact hypothesis, which suggests that a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, ejecting debris that eventually coalesced to form the moon. This event not only created the moon, but also helped Earth become the planet we know today. Fact number 8. The moon's phases. As we look up at the moon, we often see it change shape. These are called the moon's phases, and they occur because of the relative positions of the Earth, moon, and sun. The moon takes about 29.5 days to complete one full orbit around Earth, and during this time, we witness phases like the new moon, full moon, and the waxing and waning crescents. These phases are important for various cultural, religious, and scientific reasons. Fact number 9. the moon's gravitational pull. Have you ever wondered why we have tides? It's because of the gravitational pull of the moon. The moon's gravity causes the Earth's oceans to bulge out in the direction of the moon, creating high tides. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet experience these tidal changes. Without the moon, the Earth's tides would be much weaker, and our ecosystems would be drastically different. Fact number 10. The moon's surface. The surface of the moon is unlike anything on Earth. It's covered in a fine layer of dust called regolith, which is created by countless tiny meteoroid impacts. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth, so there's nothing to protect it from space debris. This means that the moon's surface is pocked with craters, some of which are billions of years old. Fact number 11. The moon's influence on Earth. Although the moon is small compared to the sun, it plays a key role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. This tilt is responsible for the seasons on our planet, and without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's tilt could vary drastically, leading to chaotic shifts in climate. In a way, the moon helps to make Earth's climate more stable, making it more hospitable for life. So, what have we learned today? The sun, a massive nuclear powerhouse, fuels life on Earth and shapes the entire solar system, while the moon, with its gentle but persistent pull, helps stabilize our planet and influences our tides and the rhythm of our lives. These two celestial bodies, so different in nature, work in harmony to make life on Earth possible. Next time you look up at the sky, whether it's during the day and you're basking in the warmth of the sun, or at night, admiring the moon, remember the incredible science and history behind these cosmic neighbors. Thank you for joining me on this celestial journey, and until next time, keep looking up.